Let's move on to service techniques. Basic setup. Include a placemat or tablecloth, diner plates, salad plates if applicable, utensils, forks on the left, knives and spoons on the right, and a glass of water. For fine dining, additional items such as bread plates, butter knives, dessert forks, and multiple glasses for different beverages may be included. Napkins can be placed on the plate to the left of the fork or in the glass, depending on the level of formality. Dining etiquette now. Encourage guests to wait for everyone to be served before starting. Teach proper use of utensils and how to navigate courses. How do you communicate? Maintain a polite and professional demeanor, checking in with guests without being intrusive. Use positive language and attentive listening skills. Clear your plates when everyone has finished their course, avoiding interruptions. Always clear from the right side of the guest and serve from the left. Moving on to wine service and pairing. For your presentation, you present the wine bottle to the host with the label facing them. Cut the foil below the lip and pour a small amount for tasting before serving others. And how do you pour? Pour approximately 1/3 of the glass to allow room for swirling. Serve from the right and refill only when glasses are empty or nearly so. For the temperature, ensure white wines are chilled and red wines are served at room temperature. Specific wines may have ideal serving temperatures. Then what are the principles of pairing? You need to match wine with food based on complementary flavors, their acidity, their body, and intensity. For example, lighter wines pair well with delicate dishes, while robust wines complement richer foods. White wine with seafood and poultry, red wine with red meats and hearty dishes, sparkling wines with fried or salty foods. Make sure you always consider guest preferences and dietary restrictions when recommending wine pairings. By understanding various service styles, table etiquette, and wine service techniques, you will be well prepared to deliver exceptional dining experiences tailored to different occasions and customer preferences.